And welcome to our today's lesson with me, Anurul Islam here, 2 minutes American English channel, ICM Bangladesh, accompanying my boy FKM Tahsanul Islam.
If you want to improve your accent and speak clearly in English, please watch our videos.
Chill. Today we'll look at how to pronounce the voiced consonant sound J, as in the word joy, jazz. The special phonetic symbol we use for J is look. Tahsin, you know the consonant J is a voiced, alveopalatal and affricate consonant. You already know what is affricate consonant, right?
Yeah, a sound made by stopping the airstream and releasing it with an audible friction.
Wasam, we say general, general, schedule, j. You see that in our vocal cords vibrate, j. We say procedure, j. What do we do here? We press the middle of our tongue between our alveolar ridge, j, and our soft palate, j. Say with me, j. Good. Now the drilling session. The most common spelling with consonant sound J. Joke.
Joke,
Jump.
jump,
January.
January,
Job.
job,
Gentle.
gentle,
Magic.
magic,
Age.
age,
Change.
strange,
College.
college,
Adjective.
adjective,
Adjacent.
adjacent,
Jazz.
zazz,
Knowledge.
knowledge,
Freeze. Breeze.
breeze,
J also spelled with da. For instance, education.
education,
Graduate.
graduate. Thanks for watching.